Welcome to one of Wales' most legendary peaks, Cadair Idris. Rising majestically to 893 meters above the stunning Snowdonia landscape. I'm taking you on an unforgettable journey up this mountain of myths and legends, where ancient Welsh folklore meets breathtaking natural beauty. The name Cadair Idris translates to Chair of Idris, named after Idris Gore, a legendary giant and astronomer from Welsh mythology. According to ancient tales, anyone who spends a night on this summit will wake up either as a poet, a madman, or not wake up at all. But this mountain holds deeper history. Archaeological evidence shows human activity here dating back over 4,000 years. The Romans knew these paths, and later, Victorian tourists flocked here after the railway arrived in nearby Dolgellau in the 1860s. Halfway up, we're passing through terrain that tells the story of Wales' industrial heritage. These mountains provided slate that roofed half the world during the 19th century. Local quarrymen would climb these very paths daily, carrying their tools and lunch in harsh weather conditions. The flora around us is equally historic. Some of these hardy mountain plants are glacial relicts, survivors from the Ice Age that found refuge in these protected corries. That's Arctic alpine vegetation that's been clinging to these rocks for over 10,000 years. Reaching Penygada summit, the highest point of Cadair Idris, we're standing where countless generations have stood before us. This stone shelter, built in the 1990s, replaces earlier Victorian refreshment huts where climbers could buy tea and postcards. From here, on a clear day, you can see Ireland's Wicklow Mountains, 90 miles away. Medieval pilgrims believed this peak was a stepping stone to heaven. Looking out over Cardigan Bay and the Mordach estuary, it's easy to understand why. As we begin our descent, remember that Cadair Idris isn't just a mountain, it's a keeper of stories. From ancient astronomers to Victorian adventurers, from glacial survivors to modern hikers, every step connects us to thousands of years of human and natural history. Whether you wake up as a poet or just wonderfully tired, one thing's certain, Cadair Idris will leave its mark on your soul. Thanks for joining this legendary climb.